Hey, friends, let's talk about your ecological footprint and how to make your poster for this project. It's a quiz grade. It's due a week after you are watching this video. It's due a week after it's assigned. At midnight, well, at midnight you lose 20 points. So it's due at 11:59 and 59 seconds. So thing one, what is an ecological footprint? Well, there's one a student made in the past. You're going to calculate your own ecological footprint. You're going to use this video, and the ecological footprint, it measures how much land you require. How big is your footprint? How much land you require for both the materials you need and for the waste you produce. You want to have a smaller footprint. Think about like walking through a kitchen with muddy feet. You wish those footprints were smaller, right? So the smaller the footprint, the better. So figure out what your ecological footprint is by watching this video, and then what does overshoot day mean? Well, let's say that I was given all my money for this year, one big fat paycheck in January, and I had to live off that for the entire year. Well, if I ran out of money, if I just spend it all up and I run out of money in the middle of the summer, I'm screwed. I want to push back that run out date, maybe as close to December as I can. So the further back that date is, the better. Same thing with the ecological footprint. That for us, when there's going to be a certain point every year where we outuse our Earth, we overuse our Earth for clean air, drinkable water, arable, crop growable land, and every day after that day, we're borrowing from our kids. We're stealing from our kids. Chief Seattle said, "We don't inherit the land, we borrow it from our kids." So, what is the overshoot day, and how can we push that day back as far as possible? Well, what are you going to do? You'll go to that website. It's linked for you, and you'll calculate your ecological footprint. Let me move myself over here. As you go through, make sure to pay attention to these details. Anytime it says like click on these details for accuracy, click on those details. Anytime it says learn more, you need to click on those learn more. Write it down, otherwise you're not going to get a good grade on this exam. And so I'll let you pause it right here, and that's all the information you need. How many Earths will it take for you? When is your personal overshoot day? Hover over those numbers on your laptop, click on them on your phone. You might have to go like a little sideways on it. Um, and you need all of these numbers because you're going to make a pie chart with numbers. You're going to make a bar graph with numbers. So make sure you do all of that. You're finally going to actually make a poster. If you want to make it be on paper, I think I would probably do that. Take a picture and upload it. That's cool. Or if you want to make it be digital, that's fine. Let me show you this rubric real quick. I would shoot for that 90. The 90 is going to be very, very doable. So shoot for that 90. The number of Earths that it takes for you is the number of toes. That's kind of weird, but you want there to be not that many toes. So if it takes like 3.5 Earths to sustain you, 3 toes, and then like half of a toe, make that happen. Notice if you don't have numbers, you go from getting a 90 down to a 70. No matter how pretty it is, a 70 is the best you can do. Also, cautionary tale, one of my students in the years past, she didn't say my overshoot day is this. Hers was beautiful, but it took her from 100 to a 70 because she did not have her personal overshoot day right here, her personal overshoot information. Um, the difference between 100 and 90 is as 100 is aesthetically pleasing, details, icons. It's really easy on the eye. It goes above and beyond, and also provides multiple solutions. As you go through, you'll click at the very end, like what are some actual steps you can take? Well, if you're a vegan, obviously like reducing meat consumption isn't going to be an issue for you, so maybe it'll say like I could carpool more. It'll tell you what to do. Include one of those and you have a 90. Include multiple, two, and you got 100. Plus make it be aesthetically pleasing. Notice it could be ugly, kinda, and have all this and you still got a 90. So that's how you do your ecological footprint, and that's how you're going to get a good grade on this project, which is a quiz grade. You have a week to do it. I hope this was helpful, and I'll catch you on the flip side, which is not a saying. Bye. Boop.